Quand trouveras-tu l'amour, l'amour qui durera toujours? La vie est pleine de mystères et nos destins ne changent pas. Mais peut-être un beau jour, l'amour qui durera toujours t'embrassera comme un prince charmant et arrêtera le temps.
Oh God, it's so hot. Good morning, people. It's October. Well, today's the 5th of October, and I'm starting school next week, but we have orientation week this year. I'm a first year degree student, and usually I do some planning. I always have a planner with me. Oh, there's stickers. I usually have a planner with me because I'm a planner, and I like to plan month to month, day to day for the whole year. And this was my planner last year. I really loved it a lot, and this is my planner for this year. So our school starts in October because of COVID, so they postponed it for a month because usually, you know, it's September. And oh, this is actually my travel journal I got from Vietnam. I have a lot of receipts and cards, stuff from my trip, and I really like to document it. Let me know if you guys want one. Well, it's not really COVID is over, but you know, it's fun to go and reminisce, everything. I have my marker, as usual, my cup of tea, and let's get started. See, I usually plan along the way, but I still have no idea. It's empty what to do here, and it's a blank color. It's blank, there's no lines. I love books like this because you can, you know, doodle, scribble, whatever you want. And this was last year. This was more of a planner. It has its months and then days, and it has like something, what do you call this? A calendar, which you can write whatever, like for the day. And I would like to start with week 1, week 2, week 3, so you know, I'm what's that word? I'm on top. I don't know, I keep up with everything for that week. And some sticky notes. These are my physics notes. Oh, that's the sticker. These are my physics notes. After the calendar, there's one page is for lines and one page are for blanks. And I would like to write down my formulas. Oh, this is really satisfying. Ooh, diagrams. Okay, and then we get to another month, and there's another calendar, and so on. Oh, what's happening? Oh, this is really satisfying. Okay, so moving on. I'm gonna hand draw a calendar like that, but I don't want it to be like too neat, you know. I want it to be like squiggly lines, some handwritten, hand-drawn lines. So I don't know, cue the montage.
Quand je t'ai vu, tu m'as bien plu. Tu ne disais rien, mais je t'aimais bien. C'était le charme de tes yeux bleus qui me disait.
Oh, one thing I forgot to say. I like to start with a calendar for the whole year. You can usually print this out, but I like to write down everything. Where are my pens?
Et tu vas près, tout près de moi, avec le charme de tes yeux bleus qui me disaient, oh oui, je veux.
This is hands down the ugliest journal planner I've ever seen. Don't be like me, but I'm too lazy to change it. journaling video you can find on YouTube, but it's usually what I do before school starts, so I'm just sharing a piece of my mind like Dumbledore and throwing it into this scary internet world. So I guess that's all for the video. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!